And then there was one. Let's get open the farm tractor. Okay. Instructions. New stickers. Okay, that's better. That's sort of what I expected for the truck. Just a small lot of stickers. Alright, get this built and we'll have a look at it. Okay, here's the finished model. There's the sticker sheet, empty. Nice and quick, that one. The minifigure, the female farm worker, or farmhand, or whoever she is, whoever you want it to be. And then the tractor. I think this come out really nice. Looks like a tractor, as the shaping's all right. I'll get the figure in there. Hopefully this will be easier than the truck. Alright, so the figure just fits in there. The hands and arms sort of get in the way. I wondered why the picture of on the box, the figure's sort of half leaning out the back. Because yeah, it's a very tight fit, but the figure goes in there, so that's all good. As I said, just very nice looking tractor. That's the main part that you're looking for. Okay, onto the blind bag. Let's see what we get today. We're getting, blueberry bush. Nice and easy. There we go. Nice looking little bush. That's a nice mould, that. Now I'll get the farm in here, we'll pop this on with the tractor and have a look at it all together. Okay, so I just thought I'd put the animals on here just so they're out of the way, don't go getting lost. I say, this pig has really got solid connectors. Right. Okay, where does this one go? It goes somewhere around there. And then we'll get a quad bike. And we've got the tractor. Alright, so that'll do it for today's episode. Next one will be opening of blind bags. So if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe so you don't miss that episode. And I'll see you in the next video.